How to add mosaic effect in VN Video Editor. Want to pixelate part of your video? The mosaic effect is perfect for privacy or style. Select the clip on your timeline, then tap Effects and find the mosaic. Apply the mosaic effect, then adjust size and intensity by sliding the controls. You can move the mosaic box over the area you want pixelated by dragging it on the preview. If the effect is not working, check your app version or try restarting the project. Use Mosaic to hide faces, license plates, or other sensitive info. Ever used Mosaic in your videos? Share your tips in the comments below. And that's how you can add Mosaic effect in VN Video Editor. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.